If you look right there, Nathan, there's a Model 2. And right here is the Syosset library, and there's an Ethan. So I'm gonna get my mask on. Oh, let's see. All right, here we go. Let's see, fire alarm and elevator tour. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that. Got some speaker strobes here. Let's look at the detector. There they are. Nice. All right, here we go. And there are the elevators. And there's Schindler HT. Oh. It's not my official video. It's another. I could touch that. These sound lovely. Oh, good, they turned off the chime. Nice and quiet. Let's see. We'll see in a moment. Door close does not work. Here we go. Split levels. Might be low on oil. Just more stuff to the library. 10 to 1. Get your HTVR buttons. Yeah, this might be low on oil. I don't know what's on. This says probably M due to the button layout. Oh no, 2. Yeah, we're gonna. Sound lovely. Send that one up. Oh wait, are these on separate controllers? No, they're not. Oh, 2 detectors. And there's your sprinkler. Here it comes. It's a nice library. I'll look around later.
There's another one.
Oh, they're both coming. You do like a drag race. Oh, this one took the call. Yeah, this one. Again, buttons are on the side. But they're very dim. This one has no chime.
Testing out the zoom on this.
Oh yeah, that's right, you're using a new phone. Is this your first video on your new phone?
No.
No?
We upload
This one sounds fun. Okay. I want to check out 2 and see what's on. That's the other one. Look at that, that's RT Fire Service.
Hey, what was that? I thought you said. These ones are using the. Whoa. Was not prepared for that at all.
Oh, it's just more stuff. Sounds like it's really close. Oh, look.
Oh, wow, you can see. Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's get off here. Look at that. I'm gonna look around for a bit. This is nice. Oh, look at those private rooms. It's an emergency exit, apparently. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll go look at 2 real quick. Looks like one of them just showed up. Let's hurry and get it. Nope, this one's here again. Well, let's see what's on M. It's kind of like new for me. Yeah, I wonder why these have... I don't know if this is new. This is kind of new for me.
Oh, you could see.
Through the doors?
You could just...
Oh, it's just... Oh, this is a nice area. Oh, you could get a view down. Look. Alright, you tell me where to go, because if there's anything else interesting. Oh, there is? Yeah, I knew there was. I knew I heard about something about another elevator. Come on, I cannot press HT buttons today. Really. Yeah, that's RT, fire service. I don't know. I don't think HT's had this. Cab on this one's identical. Alright, let's go find that other elevator. Let's see. Now I want to try to figure out where it is. The fire station has a siren on it. Oh, it's another Schindler HT, and it goes down. This one's got chimes too. No inspection certificate. Apparently it's available upon request. It's down here. Send that one up. There might be a motor room. There might be a motor room somewhere. Let's see. Oh, look at that sign. Let's see. It's probably like very well hidden. What's in here? Employees only? Strange. Alright, well,
Come back.
I guess. The motor room is nowhere to be seen. No Schindler label.
Did you see that sign?
The assistant sign? Yeah, I saw it. These things run great.
Absolutely lovely.
Wonderful. Oh, look at those stairs. Flashing stairs. There's our remote strobe. I think there's an annunciator up there if you look. Like right up there. Whoa. Simplex 4100. It's nice. If you look outside, tie your shoes. The Model 2? Indeed, you'll be able to get something. Yep, there it is, right there.
Times 3 zoom.
Well. Wonder if... Really?
It's essentially like an enunciator, except you can control, I believe,
The thing covers some distance too. Like, look.
yeah,
The thing really covers a lot of the distance. Wonder if there are like diaphones or something on the back of this fire station. There might be. I don't think there. I thought I saw one on that telephone pole, but.
I thought it would be like radio.
Yeah, there's the fire department. And that was your tour. Are there any waterproof speaker strips or something?
It's my first time coming here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I don't usually.
Yeah. It's new from me. Deliveries only. Yeah. That is the Syosset Library. And there's an airplane going by up there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna watch it go by the siren.
I'm gonna end it.
It'd be funny. Explosion. Just like at the Model 2. Well, that does it.